Hey, welcome. So, Samsung has made a new application called iTest Samsung. So, this is a web application, and using this application, you can experience the Samsung phone within the phone that you are using. So, when I heard the news, I was like, yay, let's make a video about it. Yay, yay, yay. And I went ahead and went to the site. It's the iTest.nz. If you want to visit, you can go there. I will actually put link in the description. You can go there. But hold. When you visit the site, it will say this experience was designed for iPhone users. So simply Samsung is saying that you are poor. Yay. Just a joke. And it says you're on Android already. So this application only works on iPhone. For some reason. Samsung, what are you doing, man? Come on, let us test. Maybe I am using Pixel phone and I want to test the Samsung. Yay. So what's up? So sadly, yeah, that's the case. But as you know, I will do something. I will try to make it work. So since I don't have an iPhone, yeah, I need to clarify that I am actually using a Samsung phone. The phone you're seeing right now is a Samsung phone, and I want to test the Samsung. Actually, I just wanted to make a video, but yeah, this happened. So since I don't have an iPhone, I never had an iPhone actually. I never own an iPhone. So I have to do something. Either I borrow an iPhone from someone else or do some trick to make it work on Android. So now, to make it work on Android, we need to make this website to think that we are using iPhone. So simply, you can do that actually. It's a very tiny trick, but very useful. So in this video, even if I fail to make it work, you will learn two things. First, you have already learned that there is new web application called Samsung iTest Samsung. And second, following, okay, just follow me. The second thing you'll learn. So I went ahead to the Play Store and searched for user agent switcher browser. So I got this browser. It does not look good, but it works. Yay. So let's open this, and here we need to enter the URL. Yeah, as I said, it does not look good, but it works. So the URL is itest.nz. And here is the magical stuff. So select user agent, click on that, and you can see we can switch in between these things. So this website that we want to use actually requires you to have an iPhone. So we're just gonna click on iPhone, and now whichever URL we put here, that website will think that we are using iPhone, but we are still using Android anyway. But let's click on go. Come on, click on go. Okay, it's an ad. Okay. So you can see now this website thinks that we are using iPhone because it works. You can see you're just 2 taps away. Tap this icon and click on add to home screen. And actually this browser is so poorly made that we don't have the option of that add to home screen. We failed. There is no such option. So what I'm gonna do is go back and open the Google Chrome again, and I'm gonna click on the 3-dot menu, and you will see actually in Google Chrome there is the option called add to home screen. I'm just gonna click on it, and maybe hopefully it will work. Don't get high hopes, but actually it will not work. Yeah, that's the truth. Because nothing. You know, the website will still think that we are using a Android, because when we open the web application, you can see it says that you're using. It simply says that you're poor and you're using Android. Just a joke. Don't take it seriously. This is only for iPhone users. But why Samsung? Why Samsung? So when I was doing all these tricks, I was really hopeful that I will make it work, but it did not work. But you know, I thought that I should just make a video on it. maybe people will learn one or two things. First, you learned that there is this new iTest Samsung thingy. And second, you learned how you can fake the device for specific device by using some user agent settings. And actually, this user agent setting in PC is much better because you can just get the extension for the browser and you can change the user agent. So if you have something in your mind that what it does, this Samsung iTest thingy, so simply this is a application which will just give you the full experience of One UI software, Samsung software. So the phone that I'm using right now is actually a Samsung phone. So it will give you full Samsung phone display. Like it will be just a simulation. You will be able to open the settings just like this. You'll be able to operate that fake phone that it provides, like this one, and you can go to the settings and play around, but it will be just a simulation. Okay, so yeah, it's only for iPhone users, but because Samsung wants iPhone users to test the Samsung phone before you buy them, or maybe just, yeah, maybe some people will buy, maybe some people will change their mind and they will ditch the iPhone and buy the Samsung. So that's the concept of this thing, that why Samsung made it. But about the application, that is it. It will give you the full experience of Samsung within the phone. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will put link in the description for this browser if you need. And as I told you, you can do this way better in PC. You can get the user agent switcher extension and it will just work way better. So, and I will also put link in the description for this Samsung iTest website. You can go there and try. If you have an Android, do not try because I have already tried and I failed. But if you have an iPhone, you can go ahead and experience the Samsung. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something, maybe. So, yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.